Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. I am so excited to dive into today's topic, the stunning and fashionable bodycon neck gala design. This design is making waves and is definitely one of the hottest trends right now. If you are passionate about keeping up with the latest fashion trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. And if you love fashions with you what you see, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who loves fashion. So let's start with the basic. What exactly is bodycon neck gala design? Imagine a dress that first closely around your body, impinging your curves and has a glamorous touch perfect for any special occasions. The bodycon design features a sleek that tapers in the waist and then flares out slightly. Its classic shape with a modern twist, and when it's made with high quality materials, it looks absolutely stunning. You might be wondering why is bodycon gala design so popular right now. Well, it's because this design is super versatile and flattering on almost everyone. It's perfect for formal events, galas, wedding, or even a fancy dinner date. The clean lines and elegant shape make it a favorite among celebrities and influence, which is why it's trending everywhere. Let's take a look at some celebrities and influencers who are rocking the bodycon gala design. Show imagine or clips or celebrate wear bodycon gala design. As you can see, this design looks fabulous in all kinds of settings. As you can see, this design looks fabulous in all kinds of setting, whether it's red carpet even or high profile party. The bodycon gala design stand out and makes a statement. Now let's talk about how you can style your bodycon gala design. For a classic look, pair it with simple accessories like small earrings and delicate necklace. If you are going for something a bit more daring and blood statement jewelry and stylish clutch, you can also play with different shoe styles from elegant heels to trendy ankle boots. The key is to balance the outfit so that you look fabulous and feel confident. The great thing about the bodycon gala design and is that it can be styled for different season. In the winter you might add a chic shawl or a stylish coat. For summer events, choose lighter fabric and pair the dress with stripy sandals. No matter the season, there are ways to make this design work for you. Ready to buy your bodycon gala design? There are lots of places where you can find these gorgeous dresses, high-end boutiques. Online fashion stores and even department store often have great selections. Websites like a variety offer a variety of styles and colors. Look for sales and discount to get the best deal on your new favorite dress. Do not worry if you are on a budget. There are plenty of affordable options out there. Check out only later or fast fashion stores that offer similar styles at lower prices. You can still look amazing without spending too or fortune. And if you find a great deal, be sure to share it with us in the comments. Feeling crafty? Why not try making your own bodycon gala design with some basic sewing and silk and a good patterns? You can create a custom dress that fits you perfectly. Start with a simple pattern and choose your favorite fabric. If you need some guidance, there are plenty of tutorials online that can help you through the processes. Stay tuned for our upcoming dye videos where we'll show you how to make your own. One of the best things about making your own bodycon gala design is that you can personalize it. Choose fabric and colors that match your personal style, and add unique touches like custom embellishment or embroidery. The result will be a dress that truly one on a kid. Let's take a look at some real life example of people wearing the bodycon gala design. And does not everyone look amazing? This design work for so many different body types and personal style. It's proved that this trend can be both fashionable and flattering. We have also gathered some reviews from people who have worn the bodycon gala design, and most people rave about how comfortable and stylish these dresses are. If you are tried a bodycon gala design yourself, share your thought in the comments below. And before you step out in your bodycon gala design, here are few common mistake to avoid. Make sure your dress fits well. A poorly fitting dress can ruin the sleek showtails of the bodycon design. Also avoid over accessorize. Keep your look balanced to let the dress shine. Finally, be gentle with the fabric. Silk and other materials can be delicate, so follow care instruction to keep your dress looking is the best. And that's a wrap on our deep dive in the bodycon gala design. I hope you are excited about this trend. I am. It's our style elegant choice that can make any event special. Thanks for joining me today on fashion design. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fashion tips and trends update, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to like this video and share it with anyone who loves fashion. See you next time. So the bodycon gala design is a type of dress characterized by its body hanging fit and elegant showtails. Its craft and the curves of the wearer offering a sleek and sophisticated look. The design often features a trapped waist, the smoothly transitioned into a flared skirts or a fitted strain. The bodycon and the term bodycon refers to the dress shape that resembles a cone. The design is structured to follow the natural curves of the body, tapering in at the waist and expanding outwards. This unique shape helps highlight the body contours, making it a popular choice for formal events and galas. Bodycon gala designs are often made from luxury fabrics such as silk, stain, velvet, or high quality blends that offer a sleek and polished appearance. Silk is practically popular because of its smooth texture and natural shine, which add a touch of elegance and to overall look. Our other materials might include stretch fabric that provide comfort and flexibility while maintaining the design structure. Proper care is essential to maintaining the quality of your bodycon neck gala design. Follow the care instruction provided with the dress to avoid damage. Handle the fabric gently and store the dresses properly to keep it looking its best. In summary, the bodycon gala design is a timeless and elegant choice for any formal occasions. Its flattering and luxurious materials make it a popular trend in modern fashion. Whether you are shopping for a high-end pieces or creating your own, there are plenty of options to suit your style and budget. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fashion tips and trend update, make sure to subscribe to our channel Fashion Design. Do not forget to like this video.